Should or must. You should stay at this hotel. It's a suggestion, a recommendation.
You must wear a mask. This is an obligation.
You must not eat and drink here. This is a prohibition. Now you choose the correct verbs.
Mustn't or shouldn't? They shouldn't play with fire. It's a recommendation.
Should or must? She should pay attention. It's a recommendation.
Must or should? They must wear uniforms at school. It's an obligation.
Should or must? She should ask for help. It's a suggestion.
Must or should? She must wear a seatbelt. It's an obligation.
Mustn't or shouldn't? He shouldn't play games all night. It's a recommendation.
Mustn't or shouldn't? She mustn't drive and talk on the phone. It's a prohibition.
Must or should? You must stop.
Good job.